Hey guys, it's your boy Fuzzball. Today I'm going to be making my signature strawberries. So yeah, if you're watching this, you definitely want to go and check this out. I mean, they're pretty delicious. So the only real tools you'll actually need here is like a strawberry holder and a spoon. So first, take a strawberry, peel out the leaves. Then you take a strawberry holder, this thing, poke it in, and kind of just scoop around there. Now usually for a good strawberry, you scoop it once, and then kind of just do a tiny scoop, just as like a little recap. So then, take a tiny bowl. I'm going to take some chocolate chips. Pour some in. Alright, that's good. Alright. So then, you put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. So, shut this. 30 seconds. Boop. Alright, wait on them. Then, in the meantime, take some graham crackers. Okay. Take your graham cracker. Put it in a plastic bag or something. Oh, looks like the chocolate is done. Come over here. Take it out for a second. Now, it's not going to be all the way done at 30 seconds. So you got to stir it around. And put it back in for another 30 seconds. Then make sure you want to eat them while the chocolate is still liquid. Because it's just not good frozen. And don't lick the spoon like I did, unless you have another one at hand. No. Because you don't want the spit. It's like the spit kind of just dries it up. So, mash up the graham crackers. Alright, and our chocolate is done now. Alright. So, mash them up. But you still want to have just a few chunks. Don't want all of them to be gone. Just leave a few. That way you still have a lot of crunch. That's in it. Get them up real good. Then usually it's kind of more effective if you use your hand, because then you can measure how much. Crunch. Take a little bit of chocolate. Let it drizzle to the strawberry. Kind of got to scoop it in there a little bit. Okay. Then take the graham cracker crumbs. And just sprinkle them in. And guys, these strawberries are so good. Perfect amount of sweet from the chocolate, crunch from the crackers, and tart from the berry. Well, technically a strawberry isn't a berry, but Guys, it's so good. You gotta try this recipe out. So, yeah, that about wraps it up for. And drop a big fat like down below, and do consider subscribing to join the Fuzzy Empire. I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye.